Alright, y'all, what is up? We are currently in Livingston, Montana, and we are currently forced. We got high winds. We have very, very high winds. And that's all I can say. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of blowing me on the road, I mean, as is. Look at the windsocks, you drive by them, you get a little glimpse of them. It's dark out here, but you can still see. But yeah, the windsock's kind of stiff as a board, blowing hard, you know, like it's. So right now we're taking the little detour. We're taking the wind detour. We got off at what is it? Exit 330, and we're gonna go around it. Just the key is do not, I repeat, do not go around to the don't go to the wrong place. Just don't go around to the wrong place is the key. See what I mean? Like there ain't even gonna be anywhere to park. Like even if I wanted to, stop, well, there's like no spot. Anyway, even if I really wanted to stop, there's no place to stop. So I have no idea. So, like the outline's not very clear, and apparently, if you turn down the one street, they ticket you. So. This seems like, and they put them right next to each other, so I gotta pay attention. But yeah, that's it sounds like normal law enforcement.
Turn left on West Park Street. There is currently light traffic on your route.
I'm gonna go ahead and go slow on this, and I have. Well, like I said, I have no idea where exactly the detour goes through. But yeah, I'm in Livingston, Montana, and I haven't had a detour like this in a while. So this should be interesting. I haven't had any real shutdowns or. I haven't had any real shutdowns or advisories or detours like this in like almost like over a year. It's kind of crazy. Watch out here. I don't have a train signal. See no train, and I'm not hazmat, so right on across. Yellowstone. Am I by Yellowstone? Am I by Yellowstone? I think I am. I think I am.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Okay, this is interesting. Come through here often. Wee tanker.
In 4 miles, take the ramp ahead to I-90 East.
But yeah, I figured I might as well record this. Like, first of all, this is like literally my first experience in Montana. Like I said, I've never been to this state before. So, it is interesting. It is very interesting to see, especially given the whole situation with, oh god, the whole situation with this wind and yeah, it's interesting. Ugh. I don't like sitting like this. This is small town America right here, and and man, Montana loves their beer. I go into the hotel, and there's a beer. It's like a thing. It's like make your own 6-pack of beer. And I'm like, bro, what? It's like, it's pick your 6. I'm like, oh my god. And then they got these massive bottles of bourbon and whiskey and on the table. I mean, like, imagine the biggest bottle you've seen, and maybe I would definitely say it's a pretty much bigger Montana shop house. That's a good place. I have no idea. Place is kind of sketchy, and it's like Nevada, only difference is you're out in the bare wilderness. Because there's a lot of trees here, and Nevada's desert. These people like their casinos. Nevada likes their casinos. You know, the fun stuff. But no, seriously, this place is... Montana's not bad. They got me some good elk burgers and good old steak. The open range cattle sure taste a lot different than the stuff I'm used to. So definitely a higher quality of meat. But yeah, some good eating up here. Real good eating. I would definitely recommend it. Like, so far, my experience, I would say, is pretty darn good. Except for the winding hills and the slow speeds you got to deal with on trucks. But other than that, I would say so far 10 out of 10. I haven't really... I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. I would say that's being kind of mean, but because the slow speeds, you got to go through some of these mountain portions of the truck, and it's good so far. I'm going to be in Montana for the rest of the night and a little bit tomorrow, so it should be interesting. But yeah, the surge is kicking. The old engine's roaring, the night's ticking away, and I'm gonna get through this. Hopefully I come back to Montana some point. I like it up here. I really do like it. Maybe get me another one of these Prosser to Kenosha loads, maybe here and there. Maybe give me some occasional Montana and South Dakota run through, and I'll be a little happy. Yeah, I wouldn't mind coming through here, but we'll see how South Dakota looks. We'll see how South Dakota looks. Because, like I said, I ain't been there, and I ain't been to Minnesota. So, we're going to find out. We're going to find out in the next couple days. I'll keep recording as this is fresh content. About as fresh as content as fresh content can get. So, I hope y'all enjoy my little road trip, and doing over the speed limit, and you're a quarter mile behind me, but you... Okay. Sometimes people clown. But, yeah, wish me luck, y'all. Trying to get back on time with the whole uploading schedule, and I think I might start setting things to schedule up